Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to reset your network settings on an iPhone. This is an easy way to troubleshoot any connectivity issues on your phone. Say you're having problems connecting or staying connected to Wi-Fi networks, or maybe if when you're on cellular, you're having overall data issues. Do note before you do this though, by resetting your network settings, it'll wipe out all your saved networks on your iPhone. So you'll have to reconnect to any Wi-Fi spots at home, work, or anywhere else that you've connected to in the past. Also, if you use a VPN, this will reset that too. So make sure that you have access to your network names and passwords beforehand. If you don't feel comfortable doing this right away, you can also try turning on or off airplane mode first. This will turn off all network features without losing anything, and then you can turn them back on. Head into settings, and at the top you'll see airplane mode. Toggle the switch on, wait about a minute, and then turn it back off. If that doesn't help and you still want to go ahead and reset all your network settings, while in the settings here, select General. Scroll down and tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings and then enter your iPhone passcode. It will then prompt you telling you that you're about to reset all your network settings to factory default. Confirm by selecting Reset Network Settings again. Your iPhone will then reboot. When it comes back up, everything will then be reset and you'll have to reconnect to any Wi-Fi networks you were connected to in the past. If you use any VPN settings, you're going to have to enter those also. And that's how you troubleshoot and reset your network settings on an iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.